How AI is replacing white-collar jobs in 2026. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the workplace in 2026, especially in white-collar professions. Jobs that once required hours of human effort can now be completed in minutes by advanced AI systems. Industries such as customer service, finance, marketing, legal research, data entry, and content creation are experiencing major changes. Many companies are adopting AI tools because they can work 24/7, process huge amounts of information, and reduce operational costs. For example, AI chatbots now handle customer inquiries, AI-powered software analyzes financial reports, and automated systems generate marketing content. As a result, some entry-level and repetitive office jobs are becoming less common. However, AI is not simply eliminating jobs, it is also changing them. Employees are increasingly expected to work alongside AI tools, focusing on creativity, strategy, decision-making, and human interaction. Professionals who learn AI-related skills are finding new opportunities in AI management, prompt engineering, automation oversight, and data analysis. The impact varies across industries. Administrative assistants, basic analysts, and routine support roles face the highest risk of automation. Meanwhile, jobs requiring leadership, emotional intelligence, complex problem-solving, and innovation remain difficult for AI to replace. Governments, businesses, and educational institutions are responding by promoting reskilling and upskilling programs. Workers are encouraged to learn digital tools, AI literacy, and specialized skills that complement automation rather than compete with it. The rise of AI represents one of the biggest workplace shifts in modern history. While some traditional white-collar jobs may disappear, new roles and industries are emerging. Success in the AI era will depend on adaptability, continuous learning, and the ability to leverage technology effectively rather than resist it.